can't outrun this. Then I won't run. Every shadow in my chest says I'll never be enough. Every voice inside my head tries to turn my strength to dust. I've been standing on the edge of the person I could be, but the weight keeps dragging me back into the same routine. You don't have the will to fight. Watch me prove you wrong tonight. This is where it breaks. The noise is pulling me under, but I won't drown in the sound. Every fear makes me wonder what I am without it now. I rise above the noise inside. I won't let it define my life. My life. You've been hiding in your doubt, letting it control your breath. Every step you try to take leads you closer to regret. I can feel it breaking through. Oh, it's breaking you. I've been holding back too long. Then prove me wrong right now. The noise is pulling me under, but I won't fall to the ground. Every doubt pulls me further, but I'm breaking out now. I rise above the noise inside. I won't let it define my life. My life. If I give in, you lose everything. If I fight, you feel everything. Let it burn. I'm done living like I'm not enough. Then stand up. Every demon trying to keep me stuck. Rise on. I break the chains. Build myself. The noise was pulling